Hey guys, I'm sorry I forgot to change, just give me 1 second. Hey guys, so I'm ready and by now you must have guessed what this video is all about. So recently I received this box from Fixaflix box. So before starting with the unboxing video, I would like to discuss about Fixaflix box. So Fixaflix box is different from your usual book subscription boxes because this box focuses on web series. Yes, you heard me right. This box focuses on the web series, and if you are a fan of some particular web series, then this box is for you and you can get merchandise based on your favorite web series from their website. So Fixaflix box has an option for the customers to choose from 4 types of boxes according to their budget. Also, if you do not wish to buy a box, they do have their separate merchandise store where you can buy any individual merchandise which you like. I guarantee you their boxes are amazing. The products they give to their customers is worth every penny you spend on their box. I'll definitely recommend you all to buy their boxes for once and experience the happiness for yourself. Do not forget to check their website, and if you are a K-drama fan, do not forget to subscribe to their box. You can use my code CONFUZZLE10, which I'll mention in the caption below, to get a discount on your next purchase. Also, one special thing about Fixaflix box is that every box of theirs has a different design based on the month's theme. So this month's theme is Friends, so the box looks a bit colorful. The introductory video would be different from the other half part because I shot this video a little later. Because of some issues I lost my video earlier, but now hopefully I recorded it again. So let's continue into the video. So the first thing we have is the content card. Here all the items written. Okay, I haven't read the items, so I'll explore with you. So the first thing we have is this eco-friendly tote bag. So here's how they have packed the bag. So let's open it. I'll just remove the bag from here only. So here's how the bag looks like. I'm sure you loved it as much as I loved it. It's beautiful. It's really beautiful. The print is so good. So the next thing we have is this metal keychain inspired by the Friends door. So this is how it looks like. So isn't it pretty? I'll just open it and let you see how it looks like without the polyethylene. So this is how it looks like. I absolutely love this and the quality is amazing. So the next thing we have is this fridge magnet. So this is how it looks like. Let me open it. So this is how the fridge magnet looks like. Isn't it pretty? Also, I love the quality. It's like really sturdy. And of course, let's see how it looks on my fridge. So the next thing we have is this cute notepad which has 30 colorful pages. So these are the colors and it's gorgeous. I am a huge stationery addict, so collecting all the diaries, notes, notebooks is like a part-time job for me. So this one's amazing and it's going in my ever-growing collection. So the next thing we have are these art prints. So one says pivot and the other says unagi. And I learned a new word today which says unagi. So yeah, I love these. What we have is this game. So Fixaflix box is famous for their games. They like to include games which can be played with family and friends. Of course, they are based on the web series on which the box is based. So this game is based on Friends. So let me just open it. So it has 3 parts and this is the first card, instructions card, and the rest are the game cards. So the first game card is Who Says That. You have to identify the character who has said this dialogue. So the second part is the quiz game, where there is question and 4 options given, and you have to select the answer, and the answer is given on the back side. And the last one is Picture This. Okay, where is it? So this is the last one, which says Picture This. So you have to picture the text in your mind and answer it. So I would love to play this game with my sister because she is a huge Friends fan, and I would like to test her knowledge. So I would love to play this game with her. So this is the next item we have. Let me open it. I guess it's a mug. So let's see. Of course I was right, it's a mug, but it's a very beautiful mug which says Central Perk, and it has the same design on the both sides. And the best thing is it's black. I had literally all the white mugs in my collection, and having a black one is a great addition because I love black. And this looks amazing. This looks so amazing. I would love to drink my coffee in this from today itself. So cheers. So the next thing we have is wrapped in a bubble sheet. So let's see what's there. Okay, so I want to scream because this is what I was wanting to have from so long. So this is a wax melt. This is not a chocolate but a wax melt. It's similar to a candle, but its burning capacity is more as compared to a candle. And I haven't seen any wax melts in India yet, and I'm so excited to have this one because I so really wanted to have one. I wanted to try what it feels like. Yeah, I'm like very excited for this. So it says Monica's Apartment, and it says it's a vegan soy wax melt. So I'm really excited to try this one. This one would be my favorite from the box. So the next thing we have is a snack, and I guess a Friends box without a snack would be incomplete because Joey loves food and he doesn't share his food. So yeah, this is from Dipsters, which says cookie and cream. So I would love to have it because I love Dipsters, and their dips are amazing. They are so tasty, and also I won't share it with my siblings because even Mugdha doesn't share her food. So the next thing we have is really amazing. So let me just show you. So this is a t-shirt inspired by Friends. So let me open it. कहाँ से खुलेगा ये? So this is a shirt. I ordered a medium one for myself, but it's quite huge for a medium size. But it's okay. I like oversized t-shirts. So it's amazing. The cloth, the stuff is so soft, and also look at this door design. It has a dialogue written in it, and it looks so beautiful. I just love this. You love it too, right? So I'll wear it and let me know how you liked it on. Discount coupon. So the Fix-a-Flix box gives discount coupon in every box of theirs to their customers because they are amazing. And this is the discount coupon. Okay, I can't show you the discount, but this pack includes 2 stickers. So let me just open it. So these are 2 stickers I have received, and the second one is this. So overall, I just absolutely loved the box. I hope you loved it too. Every item of this box is amazing, is of the best quality. I'm not saying it because I am a rep, but just because I absolutely love it, and this is my true opinion, true honest review. And I just absolutely love their box, their ideas, their merchandise which they think of getting in their box, and I would really like you to try it out once, maybe once, and I'm sure you will not regret it. This is the end of the video, and I hope you liked it. Do let me know in the comments if you really liked the video, and also like, share and comment with your friends, and give me follows. Just joking. Okay, bye.